kind of one little bit out of the way. Into a T shape.
Man, you make that look easy.
Must be a reason for that.
Yeah.
So when I was in here for that other part, just watch where that angle is, where that piece is coming in here at a 90, I have it coming back in here about the same. So
Okay.
you turn it over, you have about the same angle, it's the same start.
Right, sure.
So you got that bend and the other bend, and you work on the area in between to bring them together. This one's a little bit tighter than that one, how large that one is.
Right.
You got a little bit of more metal right there. So that pulled that one aside, make that side a little bit tighter.
So cool, man.
Hard.